Hello. Today I'm going to be quickly explaining on how to build a cheap gaming keyboard. So first you're going to need a base. This is a GK61. It comes with a PCB, hot swap, a plate, and stabilizers. So in this build I'm going to be putting in Novelkey creams. They are a linear switch and they feel extremely buttery. For keycaps, I'm going to be using these putty shine through blue and pink keycaps. They kind of look like cotton candy, which kind of goes with my aesthetic of my room, so it's pretty cool. And then I'm going to be lubing my switches with 205 grade 0. The lubing process is pretty easy. First you're going to take your switch, you're going to put it in the switch puller, you're going to line up the tabs with the amount of tabs on the switch puller, and once you just push it in, and once that happens, the switch just opens up into 4 different pieces. As you can see, there's the bottom housing, the spring, the switch itself, and the top housing. So you're going to grab your lube, your paintbrush, and I like to use this little switch holder. It helps me not get lube on my hands. So first you're going to get a little glob of lube. You're going to put it on the 2 little slides inside of the bottom housing. Just want to make sure that you get enough on there. And then you're going to take your spring. What I like to do is I like to coat one side of it first. Go in the middle, on top, around, and then you put it on the switch for the spring holder, and then you're going to want to coat the top with lube. Just making sure that you cover all surfaces of it. Go a little bit more. And finally, you're going to want to grab the switch. You're gonna want to make sure that you cover every single surface on the outside. So the 2 little slide parts on the sides, and then the rectangles on the other sides. And then you're gonna want to line up the 2 little legs with the gold inside of the bottom housing. You're gonna want to put it on top of the spring. And then you're gonna take the top housing. You're gonna line up the 2 big hole or the rectangular holes with each other, and then just push down, and there you go. After this is done, or after you've lubed all of your switches, you're going to take your case, you're going to lube the stabilizers. In this specific build, the stabilizers came pre-lubed, but I'm going to show you how to take them out. So there's going to be a little tab. You're going to push that up on each side really hard, so that way it pushes out each of them. And then you just bring it down and pull it out. So once you've done lubing your stabilizers, you're just going to put the keycaps or the switches in, making sure that the pins on the bottom line up with the pins in the keyboard. Once you've finished putting in your switches, the next part is putting on your keycaps. This part is pretty easy. It's just lining or knowing just where to put them. Once you've finished with that, the keyboard's done. Good job.